Good day everyone, I am Luis Anpakulanang and this is the last topic of Group 8, Lesson 5 Meters Reading. So, for our objectives, okay, let's proceed to the drill. So, find the volume of each prism. So, the volume of prism is found by multiplying the area of its base by its height. So, since the base of this prism isn't specified, we will assume that they have a rectangle basis, which is very common sa nga types of problem. So, the area of rectangle is length times width. For our problem number 1, length equal to 5 meter and width is equal to 16 meter, height is equal to ym. So, length 5 meters, width 16 meters, height is 6 meter. To find the volume, we first calculate the area of base. Area of base is equal to length times width. Area of base equal to 5 meter times nimo sa 16 meter. So, area of base is equal to 80 square meters. So, now we multiply the base area of the height. So, volume area of base times height. Volume equals 80 meters times to 6 meter. So, the volume equals to 480 cubic meters. Our problem number 2, length is 13 centimeters and width is 3 centimeters. For height is 2 centimeters. Again, we start by finding the area of the base. Area of the base is equal to length times width. So, area of base is equal to 13 centimeter times 3 centimeter is equal to 39 square centimeters. So, we multiply the base area of the height. So, the volume area of base times height. The volume is equal to 39 centimeter times 2 centimeter. So, equal to 78 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of second prism is 78 cubic centimeters. Okay, let's proceed. A swimming pool is 10 meter long, 8 and 1.5 meter deep. So, the water resistant paint needed for the pool costs 570 per square meter. So, how much will it cost to paint the interior surface of the pool? How many liters of water will be needed to fill it? So, how will it cost to paint the interior surface of the pool? So, to figure this out, we need to find ang total area of the inside surface of the pool. Rectangular swimming pool has a bottom and 4 sides. First is identify the dimensions of pool. Length is equal to 10 meters. Width is equal to 8 meters. Depth, muna siya ang height is equal to 1.5 meters. So, calculate nato ang area of each surface. Length times width is equal to 10 meter times 8 meter is equal to 80 square meters. So, each has an area of length times depth is equal to 10 meters times to 1.5 meters is equal na siya sa 15 square meters. So, they are 2 times 15 meters is equals to 30 meters. Each has an area of width times depth, muna siyang height, is equal to 8 meters times to 1.5 meters is equal to 12 square meters. So together they are 2 times 12 meters is equal to 24 meters. So and next is calculate the total interior face of area. So total area equals bottom of area of two longer sides plus area of two shorter sides. So the total area is equal to 80 meters plus 30 meters plus 24 meters is equal to 134 square meters. So calculate the total cost of painting. Cost per square meters is equal to 570. So the total cost um, eh, times natong total cost area times cost per square meter. So ang total cost is equal to 134 meters times 570 meters. Yan. So it will cost 76,380 to paint the interior surface of the pole. So how many liters of water will be needed to fill? To find the amount of water we need to calculate the volume sa full. Use the formula for the volume of a rectangle prism, which is the shape of the full. Length times width times depth or height, 10 times 8 meters times 1.5 meters. So 80 meters times 1.5 meters. 120 cubic meters. To convert cubic meters to liter, 1 cubic meters is equal to 100 liters. Volume in liters equals to volume in cubic meters times 100 liters. So the volume in liters equal 120 meters times 1,000 liters is equal to 120,000 liters. So therefore the needed sample is 120,000 liters of water. The previous reading is 3,540. The present reading is 4,750. How many kilowatts of electricity nga nagamit? So the previous reading is 3,540 and the present reading is 4,750. Now let's subtract the previous reading from the present reading electricity. Use present reading, previous reading. So the electricity use is 4,750 is minus 3,540. Mauna siya ang previous reading. So it equals to 1,210. Imo rang i-minus ang present sa previous nimo nga reading sa pagsukat sa electricity. So the electric meter reading are typically in kilowatts are. The amount of electricity used is 1,210. So the kilowatts of electricity were used is 1,210. Last, here now is completing the electric consumption table. Now let's use what are just learned to fill the kilowatts used. So column in your table will subtract the previous reading from the present reading for each row. So this is the previous and present readings kilowatts we use. As you can see, minus lang ang previous to present reading. So here's the complete table: previous reading, present reading, kilowatts. So for each period shown, you can see the number of kilowatts hour of electric what that we are used. If you know the cost of per kilowatts hour, you can calculate the electric bill for each those period.